Your F22 2 Series could fail if you didn't know about these quirks, so listen up before it's too late. And what's going on with the F23's convertible top anyways? I got you, stick around. Timing chain troubles. The N20 engine, especially the early F22 models like the 228i, has been notorious for timing chain guide tensioner issues. Owners have reported a distinctive rattling noise during cold starts, hinting at a potential guide failure. If unaddressed, this can lead to severe engine damage. BMW acknowledged this issue and extended the warranty for timing chains on affected models. A failing timing chain guide can lead to catastrophic engine failure, an engine swap nobody wants. Drivers may experience unusual engine noises and in worst-case scenarios, complete engine shutdown. It's the kind of problem that sneaks up on you. Everything seems fine until one day, your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree and starts sounding like a bag of marbles whining in the wind. If you've ever worried about whether that little noise is quote-unquote normal or something more serious, you're not alone. Many F22 owners have been there, wondering if it's safe to keep driving or if it's time to book that dreaded service appointment.
That doesn't sound right to me.
Water pump woes. The electric water pump in the F22 2 Series has been a point of concern for many owners. Failures can lead to coolant leaks, overheating, and potential engine damage. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the water pump can prevent these issues. It's advisable for owners to monitor coolant levels and be alert to any signs of overheating. A failed water pump can cause the engine to overheat, leading to reduced performance and potential engine damage. If you've ever seen your temperature gauge creeping up slowly in traffic or had to pull over because there's steam coming out from under the hood of your car, you know how nerve-wracking that can be. It's the kind of surprise no one wants during a road trip or just a busy morning commute. Many drivers have shared stories of being stranded unexpectedly just because a part that rarely crosses your mind gave out at the worst possible time.
Water pump gone downright fluey on me.
Interior trim wear. Despite being produced from a brand synonymous with luxury, the F22 models have exhibited premature wear on the interior trim. Owners have reported peeling dashboard materials and loose interior handles, which take away from the overall cabin experience. While these issues are mostly cosmetic, they can impact the overall value of the vehicle, making resale a bit more of an issue. Regular cleaning and conditioning of interior surfaces can help mitigate this premature wear. It's frustrating when your car still looks and drives like a dream, but the interior looks older than it should, especially when you've just spent good money expecting lasting quality. Many F22 owners have felt that sting of embarrassment when giving a ride to someone and noticing that the trim is lifting or flaking off. It's a kind of small detail that can make your car feel less special over time, even if everything else runs perfectly.
As you know, this puts us in an awkward position.
Suspension stiffness and wear. The M Sport and performance variants of the F22, like the M235i, come with firmer suspension setups. While this enhances handling, it can lead to a stiffer ride and increased wear on suspension components over time. Owners have reported clunking noises over bumps and uneven tire wear as indicators of suspension wear.
By the way, the car hit a pothole and now it's making a clanking noise.
Regular inspections and timely replacements of worn-out components can maintain ride quality. If you've ever winced after hitting a pothole or felt every crack in the road, you know how it feels. That tight, sporty handling is great on twisty back roads, but not so much when it comes to rough city streets. Many drivers share stories of feeling every imperfection in the pavement or having to explain those suspension clunks to passengers who give you the look. It's just part of the performance trade-off, I guess. But one that definitely sneaks up on you if you're not keeping an eye, or ear, on it.
Hey, we hit a pothole in the sky!
Technology and electrical glitches. The F22's electronics, including the iDrive system, have occasionally been sources of frustration. Issues such as system freezes, reboot cycling, Bluetooth connectivity problems, and random warning lights have been reported. Ensuring that the vehicle's software is up to date can alleviate some of these problems. However, persistent issues may require professional diagnostics to resolve underlying electrical faults. Malfunctioning electronics can distract drivers, reduce convenience, and potentially compromise safety if critical systems are affected. It's especially frustrating on a road trip when your navigation decides to crash out on you, or when your backup camera decides to lag when you're trying to park into a tight space. Many owners have experienced that moment of panic when the warning lights appear out of nowhere only to vanish the next day, leaving you wonder if it's a glitch or something more serious. When the tech that's supposed to enhance your drive becomes more unpredictable, it can take away from the luxurious experience BMW is supposed to be known for.
This keeps you from glitching in other dimensions?
Yeah.
Oil leaks. Some F22 models have been prone to oil leaks, particularly from the valve cover gasket or oil filter housing. Some signs to keep a lookout for are the obvious burnt oil smells or oil spots on the ground from where you usually park. Addressing these issues promptly is essential to prevent further engine complications. Regular inspections can help detect and rectify these issues early. If you've ever stepped out of your car and noticed a fresh oil stain in the driveway, or caught a whiff of that unmistakable burnt oil smell after parking, you're not alone. It's one of those problems that starts small but nags at you every time you drive. Many owners describe having to check their oil more often than they like to. While these issues aren't always catastrophic at first, they're an annoying reminder that even luxury cars need a little extra attention under the hood.
Your vehicle, it's leaking oil.
Charge pipe failures. Models equipped with the N55 engine, such as the M235 and the M2, have been known to suffer from charge pipe failures. The plastic charge pipe can crack under pressure, leading to loss of boost and reduced performance. Upgrading to aftermarket solid aluminum charge pipes is a common solution among enthusiasts to enhance durability and performance. The failing charge pipe would cause the engine to enter lit mode, reducing power and drivability, and may also trigger warning lights and fault codes. If you've ever felt your car suddenly lose power during mid-acceleration, or you had that heart-sinking moment when all of a sudden dashboard lights are popping up and you get error codes on your iDrive screen, you know how disruptive this can be. Many drivers can recall the frustration of trying to merge into highway only to feel the car hesitate or bog down completely. It's one of those problems that feels like it shows up in the worst possible time, often leaving you stuck in a low-power limp mode with a long drive home.
I'm sorry, I'm finding your reckless nonchalance regarding the check engine light to be very troubling.
Convertible top malfunctions. Owners of the F23 convertible variant have occasionally reported issues with the soft top mechanism. Problems include slowing operation, incomplete opening and closing, and in some cases complete failure altogether. Regular maintenance and ensuring the mechanism is free from obstructions can help maintain its functionality. If issues persist, professional servicing will be required. A malfunctioning convertible top can compromise the vehicle's usability and expose the interior to the weather and the vehicle's security. There's nothing worse than getting caught in the rain with a rooftop that refuses to close, or planning a sunny weekend cruise only to find the top jammed halfway. Many owners describe the anxiety of hearing unfamiliar creaks or hesitations when the top moves, wondering if it's the time it finally stops working. When something as simple as opening your roof becomes a gamble, it takes away from the carefree experience convertibles are meant to offer.
Oh, I love convertibles.
Window regulator issues. Electric window regulators in the F22 2 Series have been reported to fail, leading to windows becoming stuck or inoperative. Replacing faulty regulators will be necessary to restore proper window function. Regularly using your windows and ensuring windows are operated gently can prolong the life of these components. It's one of those problems that always seems to happen at the worst time, like when you pull up to a drive-thru or try to pay at a toll booth and the window just won't budge. Many drivers have experienced the awkward moment of opening the door instead of having to give their drive-thru order through a window. It can be especially frustrating when you're dealing with the weather, like being stuck with the window down in the middle of the rain, or it's a heat wave and you need to put your window up. For something that we use so often without thinking, it's surprising how disruptive it can be when it suddenly stops working.
I'll roll down the window.
And that's it, guys. Don't let these quirky details go unchecked. Like any used BMW, the F22 2 Series will take care of you if you take care of it. Let us know what other quirks you would like to know about in the comments section and subscribe for more.